Hello, I'm here today with Mark Hairston of Mortgage IQ, and Mark's going to talk to us about a pretty important topic called the MCC program.
Start again without the gulp.
Okay, sorry.
No gulp.
What time do you want to start at?
Big gulp.
Whenever you're ready.
Whenever we're ready? Okay. Hello, I'm here with Mark Hairston of Mortgage IQ, and Mark is going to tell us about the MCC program. Mark?
Thanks for having me, Mike, today. I appreciate that. A lot of folks aren't familiar with what the MCC program is when it relates to home buying. It's a special program called Mortgage Credit Certificate, and it has to do with people buying their first home,
Okay.
or who haven't owned a home for at least 3 years. You would qualify based on that criteria, number one. And what it is, it allows for a buyer who qualifies up to a $2,000 tax credit per year that they can use when they file their taxes, like coming up here in April.
Excellent.
It is excellent. And a lot of lenders don't provide this sort of service, and I like to make sure that people are aware of it. It's been around for about 20 years. And again, if you qualify for it, you have to be a first-time buyer and have certain income limitations. You can only make up to around $75,000 a year. So it's not for people who are making 80 to 100 or plus. But it does allow for $2,000 dollar-for-dollar credit against your taxable income, which is about $167 that the government is helping offset your mortgage payment.
That's quite a bit of money.
It is quite a bit of money. So for a lot of folks who are buying a first home, it could be a very good benefit for folks trying to save money.
Excellent.
And the other thing to keep in mind as far as this goes is, like I mentioned a minute ago, not every lender will have this benefit for first-time buyers. So if you're going to be shopping for a mortgage, whether it be your first home or if you haven't owned a home in 3 years, make sure you're talking to somebody who will provide this sort of service for you.
Okay, because if they're not MCC qualified, then they can't talk to clients about it.
Exactly. They can't offer this program, and it doesn't cost any extra to go through the process.
But it's a pure benefit to the client, it sounds like.
That's right, to the buyer.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, did you want to go ahead and tell, is there anything you wanted to add a little bit on that, or is that pretty much what you feel our clients need to know?
Yeah, I think that's the most important thing. But just remember MCC, Mortgage Credit Certificate, and talk to your lender and look it up on the web and do some research. But it's really a benefit for folks who are buying their first home.
Well, excellent, excellent. Well, thank you, Mark. Thank you for going ahead and talking to our audience about that today. I'm sure they're going to find that just as valuable as I have.
Great.
And thanks for letting us know about that product.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thanks for having me.
Well, this has been Austin Star Money, Business, and You. I'm your host, Mike Stein. I can be reached for comment on this or any of our guests at www.austinstarinsurance.com. Our email address is mike@austinstarinsurance.com, and our number is 512-923-1273.